In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect GameCube controller to Nintendo Wii. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you have a GameCube controller, you can make it work natively with your Nintendo Wii. So the Nintendo Wii actually has full compatibility with original GameCube controllers. You don't need any sort of adapter. However, this is going to depend on the model of Wii that you have. Some of them will have the native ports available, while others will not have the ports included. So to check, see if your Nintendo Wii has these flaps at the top that you can open. These flaps is where you will be able to find the GameCube controller ports. So as you can see here, you have 4 ports, and you even have a port for a memory card. So on the top of the original Nintendo Wii console, open the panel that flips open, and underneath this panel, you will find the ports available. Now all that you have to do is connect the GameCube controller here. It is going to be recognized immediately, and you will be able to play GameCube games, so original titles, and also some select Wii games. They will be fully compatible with the GameCube controllers. If you are unsure, check the game packaging or do your own research online to see if it supports GameCube controller inputs. Typically, you will need to use the Wii Remote to navigate the main menu, but once a compatible game is launched, you can just use the GameCube controller that you connected. Like I said before, not all Nintendo Wii models are going to have these flaps with the GameCube ports. So try to open the flap and see if yours has these ports. If it doesn't, then you will have to look into alternative solutions, either adapters or different connections to get this done. But for the standard Wii model and standard genuine GameCube controllers, you can easily get this done. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect GameCube controller to Wii. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.